Now I'm going to show how to fill the sample. Inside there is a bulb.
So do you have removed the
First I have removed
stoppers, no?
the stoppers. Now I'm taking it out.
And you have taken the service of the unit whole.
Now
And sir, you are tilting it now?
I'm tilting it so that no air bubble or any contamination comes inside.
Achha,
The
sir.
service
And
meter.
sir, it is,
hold करना
any air bubble. Now, sir, bolo na, you are now taking back equipment to the bottom compatibility, the zero bend and the saddle at the bottom of the thermostat is compatible.
Now I'm going to take the surface tension measurement. I will close the viscosity. This one is the viscosity. Closing it. The viscosity is closed. Now I will take the piston.
डाल दो, रुको उधर ही।
छोड़ दो
Now I am filling the sample. अब वापस zoom कीजिएगा.
Pulling back the plunger of the cylinder.
Plunger of the piston back so that the sample can
Vacuum is generated there, na, sir.
vacuum has been generated and you can see the solution is going inside the surface tension link. You can see the solution going inside the
उसको रिजेक्ट कर दो।
functional bulb of surface tension unit. You have to now you can see you have to fill the buffer bulb to half. The buffer bulb is filled up to half. This buffer bulb gives equilibrium time to the molecules in the solution to attain equilibrium and also to release its excess energy. Now it has been stopped.
Accuracy and
This
science
one?
to be reflected.
उसके लिए सर एक
And I am opening the pressure knob and you will see when I will remove it,
एक सेकंड में
the liquid will come down and formation of drop will start.
जब इसको अपन देखोगे फाइट मारा तो ये ऐसा ऐसा ये जो खून है अपना
You can
वो
see
ऐसा 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 हिलते दिखते हैं ना
the formation of drop.
पेट पे मारेगा
हाँ।
ऐसा ऐसा
फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट
You have to count the number of drops.
नीचे
जाने दो बस चलने दो अभी चलने दो काउंटिंग
हाथ थोड़ा ऊपर लो
बस
ऊपर लो और ऊपर लो बस
चल रहे काउंटिंग
अब दोनों दिखा दो साइमल्टेनियस दोनों दिखा दो साथ में दिखा
अब
दो
आप ऊपर जाइए दिखाइए कि अभी भी पार नहीं किया उसको लोअर ऊपर ले जाइए.
चलो आप भी आप उधर
मैं यहीं पे रहूँगा. ठीक
अब
है
नीचे.
अभी कैमरा को पॉज कर दीजिए.
नहीं रहने दो
अभी पूरा जाने दो हाँ चलने दो काउंटिंग चलने दो ये पूरा
तो नीचे
Now
दबा दे रहा हूँ
92 drops, 93 drops have fallen down till now.
ऊपर का अभी ऊपर ले लीजिए ऊपर का बल्ब है ना
Free drop formation, huh? Since there is no air fluctuation.
बस मार्किंग तक जाने तक वहाँ रखना और जूम करना मार्किंग पे जाए और वो ड्रॉप वहाँ लेके आएंगे
The formation of drop is due to cohesive force and adhesive force. Both are acting.
Yes, sir.
If adhesive forces are high, the holding capacity is high, and when the weight
काउंटर भी बढ़ा दो आप
the sample crosses the overall volume, it falls.
बढ़ा दो
काउंटर बढ़ा दो ना जरा से कौन सा
2 pi r gamma becomes equal to weight of the drop, then drop gets detached, है ना sir?
Now
नीचे कब जाना बता देना मुझे
अब नीचे जाना, ऊपर आना है अभी, उनका हाथ भी ऊपर आएगा, वो मार्किंग।
अभी आप वहीं पे रहिए, वहीं पे रहिए। हाँ, नाउ वी हैव टू
खत्म कर रहा हूँ।
stop the counting when
Marking.
it comes to the lower mark,
और हाथ
which is
नीचे,
here.
और नीचे लाद। ठीक है।
Of the capillary, ना?
आ रहा है।
मैं कंटिन्यू चालू ठेवू ना, रखू ना?
हां तिथे जवळ, आता मार्किंग जवळ घ्या, झूम करा थोडं।
झूम कशाला, राहू द्यायचं ना?
अच्छा ठीक आहे, दिसेल ना
It
मार्किंग।
is coming, and we have to stop when it just crosses. You can see the liquid is just crossing.
Gone.
This crossing,
ओके,
gone. So we have to stop, and you can see the counter has been stopped at 125 drops.
But sir,
ऊपर घुमाइए। पूरा और ले जाइए। हाँ, अब इसका 2-3, हाँ हो गया ना। अब viscosity measurement, I will put this knob in the surface tension limb, and now I will start pulling the piston. Now you can see the solution will come in the CPU and it will bifurcate into the viscosity limb.
रेडी, खींचो।
You can see when I am pulling, it is coming inside the.
खींचो खींचो।
Now it is going inside the functional bulb of the viscosity unit, and as same we have.
Done for surface tension. We'll again do it here in the viscosity. But now
Difference is here that here it will be a continuous flow, whereas in surface tension it was. If I remove it, the liquid is still in the functional bulb. Not functional, buffer bulb. It is still in the buffer bulb. It is giving the user excess time, and also at the same point of time it is giving the solution, the molecule in the solutes, the time to adjust and come to an equilibrium state. Now after some time we can again, what we will start, we will just take out this pressure knob, and the sample will come down, and again it will be a continuous flow. Now
Do
I
it.
will, you can see, now it is a continuous flow, and you can see the sample is coming down. Again there are two marks, upper mark and the lower mark. We have to start the timer when it crosses
थोड़ा cross करो।
upper mark, and we have to stop when it crosses the lower mark. Up to that point of time we have to have a stopwatch on, and then see it is coming down. एक आप उस साइड से you can see here is the lower mark, and you have to stop the counter, stopwatch when it just crosses the lower mark.
स्टॉप वॉच रखना हाथ में।
It is crossing, and it is
Crossed.
crossed, and I have stopped the stopwatch at 5 minutes 4 seconds 16 milliseconds, and you can see nothing is happening now. We have used, so using same instrument, same sample, without taking it out, without any empirical impact, we have just performed it in the same point of time. This is the IFT capillary, and through it we will right now measure the wetting coefficient and the contact angle. You can see this IFT capillary is marked, labeled up to 4 millimeter. Will be not so successful.
and air will not be lifted up.
And now it is completely dried, and I am putting it inside the
smoothly at a 90 angle, exactly at 90
bulb
angle.
at 90-degree angle, and since it is closed from up, the capillary action will not start.
One
So,
sec.
the tip of that, its tip just touches the surface, so it has been filled, the reservoir bulb or service meter has been filled up to that level. And now what I am doing, I am just putting it inside, and you can see it has just touched the surface. You can see the IFT capillary is closed.
Top opening is closed down.
The opening of the IFT capillary on the top is closed, and hence you can see there is no capillary action
Action. है ना?
inside the IFT capillary. I have to start my stopwatch, and I have to stop when the rise in the IFT column is
Stabilized.
stopped or stabilized.
Ready?
Now I am opening it. The moment I open, the capillary action will start. Now I have opened it. First of all, we have to mark up to what level we have to fill the sample in the reservoir bulb. So we can see up to 9 if we take the reading. Now IFT measurement, I am filling the reservoir bulb.
Meeting में cover किया था.
Yes.
It is being filled
चलो प्रशांत
up to level 9, because level 9 is the mark where the tip of the IFT capillary will.
Vaishali
Just touch.
madam has already measured that.
So it is, you can see, now it is going inside. Now I am going to fill the IFT capillary with the high density liquid, which here in this case is this. So I will put inside this. I will open this one.
वाइड है
एंड जस्ट अभी खींचना मत. स्टार्ट, हाथ में लो, खींचना स्टार्ट करो. मत खींचना अभी, बस कट.
फोकस करना
Now I am filling the sample inside the IFT capillary. Again here there are two bulbs. One is the functional bulb, which is the lower one, and the buffer bulb, which is the upper one. And again you can see two marks. One is here and the other one is here.
So piston, the solution being lifted.
The sample has been lifted. Now what I will do, I will just open it. Now I
And
will
is
put
to
in
be
the
avoided, na sir.
drop.
आना बराबर
बस.
ओके
Now I will take it and I will put it inside.
We drop आ रही है.
You can see अब एक अब ये लीजिए इसमें.
वो अप हुआ आया.
Huh? Okay. Here actually in the IFT capillary is the high density liquid, and in the reservoir bulb here it's the low density liquid. Earlier closed from the top. The moment I will open it, you can see. एक minute.
हाँ, कट. ओपन.
You can see the formation of drop. Zoom कीजिए. Drop will start forming. Zoom कीजिए.
नहीं आ रहा है ना.
So natural science is applied here, na? Newton's law of gravity. High, more density.
कर लीजिए एक बार ऊपर.
वो लेना
वो फ्रेम भी नहीं है अभी
नहीं, लेकिन वो अभी भरना पड़ेगा तो.
ये मस्त फ्रेम मिली है.
इसको अपन मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं
बस हो गया.
अकेला नहीं.
काम नहीं करता है वो यूज करके लगते हैं
Washing machine.
This is the last drop which formed.
of the experimental section.
300